Hey folks, welcome again. Today what we're just going to do is I decided to add additional fan right here. We're going to be putting it on the inside right here. Right here. And then this way, these two with the inverter down or down on the ground, on the base of this, these two will take out a lot of the heat, but the heat rises. So I figure if we have one really nice, like a 95 millimeter coming through here, blowing out, and exhausting the heat as well, it'll just do that much of a better job. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get things started. Thanks. Well, we finished up drilling all the holes going around. I'll clean this up with some little alcohol pad. That's what's nice about the China pencil. And then we went ahead inside. Can't see much inside of here. Let's see if I could just take this off. Sorry if it's going to be all wobbly. Here we go. Right here, we bolted it in. And now we're going to have 1, 2, and 1 on this side down underneath the thermostat down here. And then we just spliced it in so all 3 come on at the same time to go ahead and do it. And it should do pretty good. And everything should be working. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and share. And we always thank people that help us with our projects with your generous donations. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.